Hello, I'm Matt and welcome back to Workshop. I picked up this old lamp at a car boot sale the other week. All the paint was dinged up and the cable had been snipped off at the base, so I took it apart, painted it and rewired it. But it's also missing the clamp to attach it to anything, so I'm going to try and make something to do that. So let's get started. I had a little raid of the scrap bin and found this scaffold board. I squared up one end and then cut a couple of inch slither off. The bit of bracket that still remained on the lamp had this hole in the bottom of it. So I put this on my little scrap of wood and marked out, and then I could drill out that hole. I'm going to put a bolt through the base into this block of wood, but I don't want the nut to be sticking out the bottom. So after I've drilled this hole, I go back with a Forstner bit and drill down pretty much just the depth of the bit so that the nut will be recessed. I have this bit of dowel that's the same size as my bench dogs and fits tightly into the holes of my bench. So instead of putting a clamp on the lamp, my idea is to use this dowel as the kind of support system for it. So with a hole drilled to the size of the dowel in the bottom of the block, I can cut down a piece of dowel and then I can attach it into the block. I'm just going to attach it with some wood glue, and I didn't actually bother clamping this up as it's such a nice tight friction fit. Right, that's it. That's as complicated as it is. So now I'll get it all attached together. A lamp is something I've wanted in the workshop for ages, and I really like these angle poise style ones. I mean, this is not a real angle poise, but same kind of thing. So the idea is, this bench that has the holes in, I can easily slip it into any of the holes and move it around to any position I want. Now this should work much quicker than a clamp, so if I want to change where I have the lamp on one side of the bench to the other, it's a much quicker process of moving than have to undo a clamp and retighten it. But also, I can then use it wherever I have these holes. So on the back of my bandsaw stand, I've drilled another 20mm hole, so the lamp can just slip into that. I think this is where it's going to be most useful. You always need a bit more light on the bandsaw. Now I'm just going to go around the workshop and drill 20mm holes in everything. So that's it all done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.